everyone, good morning from Las Vegas, guys. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday here. So good morning, guys. It's only 7:34 in the morning. So now po tayo, guys. Mayroon tayong adventure. Pupunta tayo sa Lapland. Talaga, guys. So yan, guys. Nandito na tayo. Tingnan ninyo, hindi masyadong maraming car pa kasi masyadong early pa. Tingnan ninyo. Yan. Diba? Hindi pa siya masyado. That's the airport, International Airport, Harry Reid. So, yan. Small towns siya. So, ano makita ninyo? Yan ang Lapland. Diba ang ganda, oh? Mamaya pupunta tayo sa river kasi mayroon silang malaking river dito.
I want someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way.
So yan, guys, welcome to Lapland. Yan, lampasan na natin yung sign. So yan, mayroon silang maliit na bridge dito. Yan. So ito na, guys, ang Lapland. Diba? Nevada. Dito na side Nevada. Pag ikaw sa bridge, ibang oras na naman yan kasi Colorado yan. Lapland yan. Diba? Maganda dito, guys. Small town lang siya. Pag ayaw mo masyadong crowded, so dito ka. Small town. From Las Vegas, from our house to here, it take like 2 hours. So it's not that bad. So you can still go back round trip. So they do have dito, guys. Mayroon silang mall, big mall. Mga Levi's ang nila. Mura lang. Palagi ako mag-shopping dito sa mga Levi's para sa Levi's na mga jeans kasi mura lang. At saka si Happy, busy siya sa work niya, so I need to entertain myself kasi it's long hours, right, Are? It's long hours for me to wait for him. So what I did is just go to the mall while I'm waiting for him. Look at the sign, guys. Welcome Lapland, Nevada. So yan. So iba talaga yan, guys. Yan makikita ninyo yung pinopoint ko, Aquarius. Yan, dyan si Habi nag-work noon. Ang ganda dyan, guys. Dyan ako lagi standby, waiting for my husband. Yan, Aquarius. Ganda dyan na casino, guys. lagi ako kasi nag-play ako ng mga penis while I'm waiting my husband. So I play the bending machine. What did you call that, Daddy? The penis machine? Oh, the It's Water, guys. And then, nag-move siya ng company, yung tinatrabahoan niya. Yan, dyan siya sa It's Water na naman. Sana mayroon tayong, ito guys, ang outlet mall nila center. Ito, ang mall nila sa Laplan. Outlet center. Yan, diba ang ganda? Yan din ng casino, guys. Diyan din nag-work si Habi. Ibang company naman kasi maraming company ang tinatrabahoan niya sa mga concert eh. So yan, noon talaga ang asawa ko sa concert kasi yan guys. Yan ang casino, ha? Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman dito. So yan. This one, the finish. Lapland Hotel River Lodge Casino. This one, Harras. That one, Harras. That's nice. And what is this here? Old Town. Tingnan ninyo yung sign, guys. Old Town. Old Town Salon. Oh, they have salon. Old Town Salon. So, yan. Harras. Yan. Ang nila sa Harras. Diba? Casino. Na-miss ko yan. So, yan guys. Na tayo. Pasok na tayo. Mag-park na tayo. Oh, yeah. For the concert?
Yeah. They copy.
Look, yan guys, yan ang Abe Resorts Casino. Diba ang ganda? It's relaxing here. I love here. Very calm.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go in. Check it out. Let's go inside, guys. Mag-park muna tayo. Hanap tayo ng maparkingan natin. Din punta tayo sa loob. So yan guys, nandito tayo. So it's been like more than 20 years guys. Ngayon lang ako nakabalik dito. Maganda dito guys. Yan. It's nice. Hi everyone. Welcome. It's very nice weather everyone. It's very nice weather guys.
After you went to sleep.
I can smell the smoke now, guys. So, yan. So, ito ang hotel nila. Mayroon silang hotel dito. Yan. So, mainit na dito. So, maganda ang nila. Tingnan natin, mayroon silang resorts, mayroon silang dito. River na malaki. Tingnan natin. Doon na si Habi. Diba? Makaano ka dito ng jets, guys, oh. Yan. Diba? Ganda dito. Oh, wow. Amoy ang nila dito. So, yan guys. Ganda oh. Yan. Maganda ang ano nila. Wow. So, you can rent this one?
Yeah, you rent these cabanas.
Ah, cabanas.
Not cabanas, but shelters.
Yeah, shade.
You gotta reserve them. Yeah.
Oh, so you have to reserve them. Reserve your palapa here. Di cool palapa. Yan guys. Pero mas fun dyan sa Pilipinas. Na-miss ko talaga ang sa Pilipinas. Yan. Kasi, alam niyo, sa Pilipinas maraming mga pagkain na binibenta, yung mayroong mayroong mga bananas, kamotis, be careful. Mayroong mga mani. Diba? Ang sarap dyan. Makapagluto ka sa pagkain. Magdala. Yan. Mayroong what did you call that? Jet ski. Yan lang. Yan guys. Sa wakas guys, nandito na talaga tayo sa water. O, diba? Ang saya. Ang sarap, nasa water na tayo.
Colorado River.
May islands. So, yan guys. Mayroong doon, rent oh. So, yan. Makapag-rent ka doon. Ay, so this water is clean because people there swim.
Drinking water.
Ah, okay.
All the water. This river ends up in California. It gives water. In
Colorado?
California. It's called Colorado River. Water
Colorado.
comes from Colorado.
Yeah.
It goes all the way
Oh,
to the Mexican
can I
border.
swim, hon?
Huh?
Can I swim?
Jump in.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
Jump in.
Oh God. Oh, it's very clean. Oh, look, it's clear.
It's clear. Yeah. It's fish in there. It's a fish.
Yeah, it's very clear.
This is
So,
our
yeah.
drinking water.
Oh yeah. The kids are having fun there. But what I'm saying is, I love in the Philippines because it's more fun in the Philippines. If we are like this, hang out with the by the war, it's a lot of people selling the bananas, sweet potatoes, any kind of foods, peanuts, like that, So here, no. But if you can get away from your house or the big city, this one is perfect for you because it relax you, calm you, So it's nice to change. Yeah. I like that one, Daddy. Oh, yeah, it's nice. So yan guys, yan lang ang makikita natin. So mayroon silang dock dito. Oh. So punta tayo sa punta tayo doon sa guys, sa kabila. So tayo. Mayroon silang peanuts dito. Punta tayo sa kabila, guys. Doon sa sa center na talaga sa Lapland. Balik na tayo kasi wala naman tayong makikita dito. Yan lang ang makikita natin. Makikita natin yan doon sa sa Lapland talaga. Sa center. So yan. Makikita natin yan. Kaya punta tayo doon. Hindi naman masyadong excited dito, guys. So yan lang makikita natin. Marami tayong makikita doon sa Lapland, sa center. Okay, Daddy, we're gonna go. Welcome to the beach at Abbey Resorts and Casino. Yan. Hinahangak ako, guys. Yan. Si Abby. Nandoon na. Yan. Ito, this one. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yan.